Yes. 2 years is you
Summer.
you see way back. It's very not long time. But waiting the day is very long time. This is the house of Sadie. Heidi. We have the animation we like, and the Heidi animation, Sadie animation, and Little Princess. The name I forgot. Miss Minchin is the teacher. We go the Stone Mountain. This is we got the Ben and I got the sweet apple, no?
Yes. And many fruits in the way.
Oh, what's that? Animal?
This?
Ooh,
No. The woodcutter.
um,
Only that. It was many stone broken in.
yes,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
they are writing.
Many. Yes, but not slim.
Ang blue ng langit. Dito nakatira si Miss Minchin. Si Princess Sarah. Ayan, hinihingal ako agad.
I think the problem is the basic. Open up water out. And the freezing is
Yes, the freezing and making the stone broken. No?
yeah, this now is very dangerous. Because evening no light.
Oh, di ba? Bahay ni Princess Sarah. Hingal. Hingal.
The same, the water, but
Broken.
in the water the other side. But I think
Yun ang Budapest.
This is the Budapest. And next. I'll show it.
No ocean.
Oh, no ocean, only the sea.
Huh? Have you seen?
Very far away.
Oh. Diyan, hanapin natin yung bahay ni Princess Sarah. Oh, hi. May cueva. Oh, not cueva.
Last time in cave.
Here.
Going down. Yes, it's but closing now.
But not cueva, only this out.
My children, everything is in there.
You go in the cave the same?
Nothing. And now everything is
It's close. Maybe next year they ask money. No?
I don't know.
Now it's still free.
Changing the world.
Ito yung simbahan nila. Oh, it's new again. They make it new. They make it bigger. Put it up. Oh, really? The last time is down, no? Okay. Bahay sa bundok ko. Yan ang bundok nila. This is the other side is Budapest? Is Budapest? Okay. Han, what's that? The black box. Okay. Anong cementerio ay? Still good, Han. Not cold. This is the Stone Mountain. Puro stone lang siya. My husband. This is my husband. My handsome. Very, very handsome. Oh. Han, there's a toilet here. No toilet. If you go toilet,
Only the clothes.
or you go the down. No problem. No problem. No problem. Oh, okay. But if your house is very, very far away. May mga buildings.
The other one next. This is
We go there next time.
no very public because
Not public. Okay.
only one and two way only. You want my banana?
Yes. But I'm not hungry.
Not really.
Gusto ng second.
One half.
Half, okay. Thank you. the sky is very blue.